me. I know this life get rough, but we can't give up on each other. It's the smallest things you do that got me feeling like I love you. You be cooking, you be clean.
I was like, man, they were back again.
Okay, so I'm in here. So this.
Give me a question.
Okay. This nigga tell y'all that 3 nights. Hey, one night he was drunk as fuck, so I just took him home. You know what I'm saying? I don't know.
But look, okay, she stayed on the came back in, picked me up.
What that mean? Like, nigga, I'm not saying that. I gotta pay rent and
we
goddamn.
that chicken shit. It came back in. Then we came back again.
Okay,
today,
so chicken shit.
Back up.
Chicken shit.
That's 3 days.
Chicken shit.
Yeah.
So.
All right, why that chicken shit?
We're gonna bring chicken shit back.
Okay. Chicken shit can't go nowhere no more. Oh, wait.
Hey.
Yeah, why that chicken shit?
Hey.
They say that chicken shit, I can't remember why I dropped that chicken shit was.
Have y'all ever, hey, listen, have y'all ever got so drunk you don't know what the fuck going on in life? So, my big cousin, let me tell y'all. Big cousin, you motherfucker.
Oh, I'm talking chicken shit.
I'm talking about this shit. This shit right here beside me. So, have y'all ever been one of your cousins? That motherfucker, every car, hey, I had to pull him out of every goddamn car. I'm gonna make sure my cousin's straight. But every car we get to, I pulled that motherfucker out on North Avenue last night. My brother called my car. My brother could got that drive. So guess what I did? That motherfucker had one foot stuck in the goddamn.
What thing about it?
Hey,
well.
But you know what I'm saying? Okay,
But who? When I got out of the car, I got in another car.
Yeah, he did that.
Tried to go to sleep.
But why the fuck do you keep want to go to sleep in these folk car?
Who tired?
You can't be goddamn tired. You get in these folk goddamn car, nigga.
Okay,
hey, hold on. We got something called the lightning round right now. What we're gonna do, y'all, is called truth or shot.
Okay.
So what we gonna do? Both of y'all get to ask a question. Either you gonna tell the truth. If you don't want to tell the truth, you gonna have to take a shot. That's what we doing, people. It's on you.
I've had that.
Okay, so what you telling? What? Ask the question. I think you
ask him a question.
Okay.
If he answers the truth, any question.
All right.
Take the shot.
So.
Yeah, what we doing?
Hey, last night.
Okay.
The last spot that we went to.
Yeah.
The last spot. Who was there?
Can't remember.
I know that right. Take a shot. Shot. Yeah. Wait. He don't. So, we need to.
Oh, that my time, no.
No, you didn't take no shot.
I did take one.
No, you didn't. I didn't see it.
Okay, one more time.
Okay, let me see your. No, you're not. You're not drinking that shit.
God damn it. Waste the alcohol all over my shit.
Okay. Okay. Truth or shot. Okay.
What?
Woo. Have you ever slept with a woman before? What I say?
Yes or no?
I tell you the goddamn truth. Fuck no. Fuck. I'm gonna do the goddamn woman. What I'm gonna do with her? You got the same shit I got. A nigga can't do that shit?
I just asked you.
A nigga can't do the same shit. I'm just asking. So
hey, back to our regular scheduled program.
Y'all like doing right. You invite them on your podcast.
So
that's what's not going right.
Hey, I'm finna talk about this woman. He just asked me,
Okay.
have I ever been with a woman? No! The fuck?
Sissy?
Not me. I ain't no sissy.
What I say?
So, I gotta ask you a question.
All right.
Well,
So-
I want me a woman.
What?
What
The audience, come on.
I got somebody from the audience.
Bro, y'all got
Hey, I got
Shit.
somebody from the audience.
Well, I want me a girlfriend.
Okay. Damn, I need to ask you
We got
something.
somebody from the audience.
Why? Why? I need why? Why? Audience, why?
I mean, the niggas really ain't shit.
It don't fucking matter. Nigga ain't shit. They gon' what the bitch can do?
What they do? They got plastic?
I mean, it works.
What they do?
Fuck no, I want the real shit.
You got
I ain't talking about all that.
13 long. They ain't real.
Well, I don't need nothing that big.
What you say?
I'm just saying.
You got me. Why?
You want a woman? You really think you want a woman?
I do.
She probably, well, dude, man, that's like a plan. Somebody have threesome.
Nope.
Sorry, you're not involved, sir.
Ooh, what?
No, honey.
Hey,
Man.
one thing about it. So I got a question for you. I got a question for you.
Okay.
So. Hey,
More fun.
Listen to what I'm saying.
We're fun.
Listen.
Me and her are fun.
So you think?
You must try the food.
Listen.
Okay.
Let me ask you a question, dude. So.
Why lose that you want woman?
Man.
Maybe because I don't have a man.
Man, hello.
Man, come on. I'm trying. You on the shit. We're recording.
Okay.
So I gotta ask you a question.
Man,
So.
that was threesome. Oh,
No,
man.
it's a twosome and you out the door.
Ain't no way you even do shit.
It's a twosome, you out
What a
the door.
woman do, I can't do.
No, man, come on. You on the. You ain't been recording.
Oh, all right.
Come on with it, because these bitches ain't playing now.
So, okay, yeah, that throw you buy that shit for the stove. That
Josh,
thing there,
please
though.
stop it. How do you stop it right there?
That there, though.